Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
If your clothes are wet at the end of the cycle, it could be that your washer is not spinning or not draining properly. Here are some troubleshooting tips that can help. First, make sure the tub is not overloaded with clothes. Excess clothing can slow down spinning and can cause the washer to enter into an out of balance state, which can leave the clothes wet and prevent draining. Remove some items from the tub so the clothes can move more freely. Next, this washer is designed to use the bulky cycle for towels and bedding. When washing these types of items, including heavy coats or blankets, it is recommended to use the correct wash cycle. Do not use the normal cycle or rapid wash, as spin speeds and spin time is reduced compared to the bulky cycle. Check your spin speed. Cycles with lower spin speeds remove less water than cycles with high spin speeds. Use the recommended cycle for your garments. Finally, check the drain hose. Improper drain hose installation can slow down or restrict water drainage from the washer, keeping clothes wet. Check that the hose is not kinked or restricted. Straighten the hose for adequate water flow. Check that only 4.5 inches of drain hose is in the drain pipe. Ensure the drain hose is attached to the U-shaped holder and securely attach it to the drain pipe or tub. We hope these troubleshooting tips were helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you still need service, please contact your local W service provider.